Another mega event by Rollercoin is now here. This one is called Icy Blasters. Let's check it out right here on That Techo Guy. Stay tuned. And Rollercoin just keep on rolling those events, and here is another mega event for you all. On my screen here you can see the blog by Rollercoin called Icy Blasters. Winter's Masters. Okay, so this was released a few days ago, but the event actually started today. So basically here you're going to collect a squad of 9 minor blasters by completing missions and fighting against dangerous planet inhabitants. Make the final crafting to get an 11.8 petahash Eclipse Energon with 5.5% bonus power. Okay, here you can also see a bit of a video here, pretty cool, by the Rollercoin team, where you can see a bit of animation, so you can check that out at your leisure. I'll also be leaving a link to this blog down below, so be sure to check that out as well. So collect the 9 unique minor blasters from January 26th to February the 9th during events. So this event just started, and you will then use them to craft an 11.8 petahash miner with the 5% bonus during the icy crafting from the 10th of February to the 12th of February. So don't miss out, because you will need to start crafting manually. So here it is. Basically, this is the miner you will be getting. Just be mindful that you will be burning all of those 9 in order for you to be able to get this mega 11.8 petahash Eclipse Energon miner. Okay, so you're going to lose the 9, but you're going to gain this, and it's going to be much more powerful in the end. So your missions, here is the list of events that you need to pass to obtain your minor blasters. So the first 2 here are running basically at the same time pretty much. So on the 26th of January, just started now, we have the Blasting Sale one, and you get the 238 terahash miner, Icy Blasters puzzle event, which is soon about to start as well, at 272 terahash as well. So for the first 3 actually, they're all on the same date here, starting all on the 26th January. There is also the Weaponcraft Part 1, where you can obtain this miner right here, okay? So let's discuss these first 3 right here. So Blasting Sale, I believe this has already sold out, and it really went really fast in the first hour that the event actually started. So if we go to the Rollercoin page, we can see here, if we go to store and go to sales and popular, here it is, the plasma rifle, but this plasma rifle can be sold. So although it was sold out very fast, you can probably find it in the marketplace. So let's check that out. Plasma rifle, there it is. There are 273 available, and they currently cost, at the time of recording this video at this very moment, 15.75 RLT, and you'll be getting a 0.15% bonus with that plasma rifle as well. So actually, I think I'll actually just purchase me one of these right now. I'm going to just get that. Now it's 16.8, so the price is really varying very fast, okay? So I'm going to try and get that now as well. So I'm just going to go for 16.8 and buy it before it goes up even higher. A few moments ago I checked, and this was over 22 RLT, so the price is really going up and down, okay? 16.8 RLT, okay? Now for 238, I might have probably gotten something better. I'm not sure. You need to check and see. So if I go just to the marketplace again, just go back here to buy, and if I go to miners, and I'll say if I were to purchase something for 16 to 17, let's see how much. Obviously I can get the plasma rifle, but there are more powerful and more bonus powers as well. So there's the Patriot Prospector as well there. This is more powerful and more bonus power as well. But obviously this is to build up for the special event. The prices are almost the same. It's not all that much more power. I mean, okay, it's 100 and I don't know, 50, but it will build up to a great big miner in the end if I get all of them, obviously. So I'll have to keep on the ball now and continue to work through the event. So as well, we had the Weaponcraft Part 1, and here we also have now the Icy Blasters puzzle event, I think, here. So we'll just click on this. Okay, so it actually is meant to be called puzzle event. Okay, so there was a typo there, and this is very similar to the advent calendar. So here you'll be actually be able to obtain that miner right there that you need, that we mentioned here, the 272, the puzzle event. You'll be able to get that by actually getting 8 of these little snowflake type icons here. Now to get 8 of those, each one of these is worth 1. So you'll need to complete 8 of those in order to get this one right here. And you'll also be able to get this on the way as well. So you'll be gaining another 220 plus double the rewards, because each time you are doing these, you're going to be opening one of these at random. So quite possibly you could even get the never-ending icicle here at 629 terahash with a 2% bonus. There are 389 the turret as well. Okay, so there are quite a bit of miners and parts, and you can get some temporal bonuses as well. So look out for this, and be sure to try your best to at least get this miner right here, so you won't have to purchase it. Okay, this will have 272 terahash, and you will have gotten the second one as well. Last but not least, we also have the Weaponcraft. Okay, so here it's saying that it's just begun. Okay, Weaponcraft Part 1, and here you'll need the this one right here, 255 terahash. Okay, that's also running at the moment. So this is actually I can't actually see it at the moment. It doesn't seem to be here right now. So Weaponcraft Part 1. Currently there are 3 days remaining. So I think the Rollercoin team, I don't know if this is a mistake or not, but the icon of this miner looks to be different. So I don't know if that's something they are going to fix. It is the 26th of January and it is already started. Weaponcraft Part 1 has started already. So here it is. So I can't really understand this. There's none of them that actually match that icon. So I'm going for the ice gun. That it is the ice gun, but I'm not sure. It's 517 terahash. So let's see that. Is that 500? No, it's 255. So it doesn't match. Okay. So 255, there's no miner here. So I think the Rollercoin team here actually need to do another update in order to be able to get that. There's something wrong with the page at the moment, but Weaponcraft 1 has started, Part 1. 3 days remaining, almost 4 days. It just started a few moments ago. So I do believe that there needs to be some update here for you to be able to get that in the Weaponcraft Part 1 crafting event as well. Okay, not sure what this miner is called. It would be nice to include the names here as well for reference, but they're not there at the moment. What you can do is check the marketplace just in case someone already got that miner, and you can maybe scroll down and see, go to miners, and okay, that's the plasma rifle. Purity, maybe you'll actually find that gun there. Someone is selling it maybe. Okay, there is the turret there as well. Some people are already getting these. So anyway, I think there's probably going to be an update regarding this crafting offer. So the crafting offer does need to be updated here. It's not the same one right there. Okay, so we'll just wait a bit and see what happens. I'll actually ping them on Discord to see what's going on as well, because that's supposed to be updated by now. We'll just work through the rest of them. So from the 31st of January to the 5th of February, there will then be the Frozen Treasure progression event. So there's going to be a progression event where you will need to obtain this miner right here. Here it is, Weaponcraft Part 2. So this is where the mistake is. You can actually get this before. Today it's the 26th of January. So this is where the mistake is, okay? This is what is meant to be in Part 2. Okay, so hopefully they'll update that and they'll fix it, maybe swap them around or something, I don't know. But basically this was meant to be on the 1st of February in Part 2. There is also going to be another blasting sale. There's going to be another miner there at 483. There's going to be another one on the 5th of February, 1.4 petahash in the Forever Blasting progression event. So I'm assuming this will be one of the most powerful miners in that progression event, most likely. So it will probably be the last one in that list. So you really have to work for that one. Another blasting cell, there's going to be 1.2 petahash, okay? So when you're going to all build these up, if you actually count these all up, it still won't come to 11 petahash. It's going to be less, okay? Because some people might say, why not just keep them all individually, okay? You can check the bonuses as well, because these might all contain some bonus power as well, but I don't think it's going to be more than the 5 or 5%, 5.5% bonus that you'll be getting with this Eclipse Energion miner that you can see right here once you actually burn all of these 9 to obtain that. Okay, so this is always going to be probably the much better deal and the most powerful one than keeping them individual. Also bear in mind that when you're actually keeping them as individual miners, you're taking up more space in your room as well. Okay, so the last one will be from the 6th of February to the 9th of February with the Weaponcraft Part 3, and there will be this miner right here at 1.3 petahash, where you'll actually need to craft that miner as well, okay? So currently I've actually gotten enough parts and things to actually craft this one, which is meant to be the Part 1 one. Anyway, they'll fix that, hopefully. I can either decide to craft this right now, but I don't know what's going to happen, so I'll just ping them on Discord and see what's going to happen soon as well. So you might see an update there very shortly to reflect, okay? To reflect what's actually in the blog here, okay? So that is pretty much it. Those 9 blasters will help you to achieve the Eclipse Energion 11.8 petahash 5.5% bonus miner. Obviously, to be able to do all of this, you'll need to first register to the game if you haven't already. So you'll need to join Rollercoin, register with your email address or Gmail or Facebook, okay? And to do so, be sure to click my referral link down in the description below this video, because when you'll be registering with my referral link, you'll automatically be getting 1,000 Satoshi for free as soon as you sign up to the game, so you can purchase your first Rackcore miner and get on with your Rollercoin journey. And power be with you, okay? So be sure to click my link below and register with that link for your first 1,000 Satoshi. And that is pretty much all I wanted to tell you today. Great event, and it's going to last until the 9th of February, and then from the 10th to the 12th, you can actually then craft this massive powerful miner as well. So I hope that you found this video useful, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.